Yo, what's going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today we're gonna clean this pool deck, and I'm gonna go ahead and record a time-lapse video of you guys cleaning up this pool deck. So let me show you guys here. Look at this beautiful view. Leave a comment down below if you guys are in Florida. But yeah, we're gonna be cleaning up this pool deck here. There's just this little, hose reel there that we're gonna move out of the way. But this customer hit me up from the Facebook ads, and basically they are moving and they just need the pool deck cleaned up. So we're going to go ahead and surface clean this. We're going to pre-treat this with our solution. So what we use is SH and bleach surfactant. So we're going to be using our chemicals to lay that on here and remove all the mold, mildew, and dirt. And then we're going to go ahead and use our surface cleaner and ball valve to rinse. I get this question a lot. What do you guys do around pool decks? Just make sure you're not directly blowing it into the pool, but make sure that your customer is aware some stuff's going to get into the pool, and have them bring out their pool company the next day so that they can go ahead and clean up that pool so it looks brand new. So let's go ahead and get everything set up and jump into the video. All right, so here's the pool deck. Basically, we got a little bit of mold here, some weeds growing out of the cracks. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up all this here and make sure everything looks brand new. And customer wants us to work around this. So we're gonna lay down our bleach solution, and then we're gonna go ahead and surface clean everything. So let's get into it. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. We're about halfway through. We're just cleaning up this pool deck. I hope you guys are really enjoying this video. We got this job and wanted to go ahead and record it. I am bringing you guys the best pressure washing content on YouTube, so make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below if you guys are enjoying the video. And also, I want to know, who has been subscribed with me for, since I started my YouTube channel. So I definitely leave a comment down below if you guys have been tuned in to the channel. And I am trying everything I can to get you guys the best content. We're going to start doing, more videos on how to price jobs, how to quote, what chemicals to use, the process, everything like that. So stay tuned for some awesome content. In the meantime, if you guys haven't already, join my Facebook group down below. Also have an Instagram at JohnVietX. And then if you guys want jobs like this, make sure that you're grabbing my Facebook ads course. It is on a sale right now, so $100 off just for you guys on YouTube. You get $100 off the Facebook ads course, and that is going to last until the end of this week. So make sure to grab that, and let's go ahead and get back into it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.